كمظاهر لا 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 نحتاج الآن.
In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make slowed and lofi edit audio. So firstly, just go and select the audio which you want to add and edit. And now go to speed and make the speed 0.9x and click on pinch.
मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल बदल दे, मेरा दिल
And this is how
बदल दे.
it sounds when you slowed it. Now go to the voice effects and retro and the first one, make the strength 30 and the noise 85.
मेरा दिल बदल दे,
So as you guys can
मेरा
see, this
दिल
is how it
बदल
sounds now. And now export it. Again add the same exported video and make the volume 500. Go to the voice effects and click on basic and mic hog. Room size should be 15 and strength should be the same.
मेरा दिल बदल दे.
So this is how it sounds. Just export the video and you're done. For a better experience, you guys can use earphones or headphones. I'll give you guys the link of the original audio edit in the description box below. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.